Media queries are an essential tool in responsive web design that allow us to define styles for different screen sizes and devices. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about media queries in CSS. What are media queries? Media queries are CSS rules that apply styles based on the characteristics of the device or browser being used to view the web page. These characteristics can include screen size, screen resolution, orientation, landscape or portrait, color depth, and more. By using media queries, we can create styles that adapt to different devices, ensuring that our website looks great on all screens. The syntax of a media query is straightforward. It starts with the @media rule, followed by one or more media types, such as screen or print. After the media types, we can define one or more conditions using logical operators such as and, not, and only. Finally, the media query includes a block of CSS rules that apply only when the conditions are met. Here's an example of a media query that applies styles only when the screen width is 600 px or greater. Properties in media queries. There are several properties we can use in media queries to specify the conditions under which the styles should be applied. Some of the most common properties include width and height. The width and height properties allow us to target screens with specific dimensions. For example, we can use min width and max width to apply styles to screens that are larger or smaller than a certain size. Orientation. The orientation property allows us to target screens that are in landscape or portrait mode. Pixel density. The min resolution and max resolution properties allow us to target screens with specific pixel densities, such as high-density retina displays. Aspect ratio. The aspect ratio and device aspect ratio properties allow us to target screens with specific aspect ratios, such as widescreen displays. Color depth. The min color and max color properties allow us to target screens with specific color depths, such as grayscale or 16-bit color. Let's say we want to create a media query that applies styles only when the screen width is between 600 px and 900 px, and the screen is in landscape mode. Here's what the media query would look like. In the CSS rules block, we can specify any styles we want to apply when the conditions are met. For example, we might want to change the font size, adjust the layout, or hide certain elements. Media queries are a powerful tool for creating responsive web designs that adapt to different devices and screen sizes. By using media queries, we can create styles that are tailored to specific devices, ensuring that our website looks great on all screens. With the knowledge you now have, you can start using media queries in your own CSS to create responsive designs. Here's an example of how you can use media queries in HTML and CSS to create a responsive layout for a simple website. In this example, we have a simple HTML structure that includes a header, main content area with 3 sections, and a footer. The CSS code defines some default styles for the website, such as font family, colors, and spacing. Then, we use media queries to adjust the layout and styling of the website based on the screen size. The media queries are set to target different screen sizes: small screens with a maximum width of 599 pixels, medium screens with a minimum width of 600 pixels and a maximum width of 999 pixels, and large screens with a minimum width of 1000 pixels. Within each media query, we adjust the styles of various elements on the page. For example, on small screens, we adjust the header and navigation styles to make them more compact, and on large screens, we adjust the main content area to display the 3 sections in a row. Overall, media queries are an essential tool for creating responsive websites that can adapt to different screen sizes and devices. They allow you to define different styles for different screen sizes, ensuring that your website looks great and is easy to use on any device. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.